It's that time of year again, guys. It's 2022 and Fein are back with their second Christmas advent calendar. Let's take a look inside. One of the main features of this kit is the large selection of oscillating multi-tool blades, which are all Starlock compatible. First up, we have the set of 6 long-life wood and metal blades. These range in sizes 10 to 65mm. Next, we have a set of 4 universal wood and metal blades. These come in sizes 28 to 44mm. And finally for the blades, we have a set of 3 standard curved wood cutting blades with sizes 35 to 50mm. Onto the next section of the kit, we've got an array of sanding apparatus with a triangular sanding pad, which is also Starlock, as well as sanding pads ranging from 40 to 180 grit. And if that wasn't enough for you, they also include 2 pens and a fridge magnet. If you're thinking about picking up one of these for yourself, guys, don't hesitate. We sell out every year before December. It's only limited stock, so get one now. There's a link to the first line in the description or at tooledup.com. And while you're there, we also have a sale on. So have a browse around, see if there's anything else you fancy. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.